Hi guys, welcome back to Make It with Mod Podge. I'm Kathy Fillion, and as you can see, we are doing a rolling cart makeover today. I'm just doing one of these rolling carts that you can get at any craft store or big box store, and I'm going to make it over using paper napkins and Mod Podge. Now for this, I'm using satin, but you could use gloss or matte or the new multi-formula. I like the satin because it's not too shiny and not too matte, a little bit in between. For this project, I used 8 of the paper napkins. This is the larger square size, and it's a really easy beginner home decor project. So if you've never Mod Podged before, I think you're gonna have success with this. All right, let's dive right into this project. All right, let's go ahead and cut open our box and pull out the parts. For this project, we're gonna decoupage before we assemble the cart. We're gonna decoupage across the fronts, the backs, and the sides. I'm using Mod Podge satin and these adorable mushroom napkins. Let's go ahead and separate the plies. We're only using that top printed ply, and I'm ironing out any wrinkles. For this project, I'm going to pull a little bit of my Mod Podge satin onto a plate, and I'm using a wide Mod Podge paintbrush. This is a great one for furniture because it allows you to apply a lot of Mod Podge quickly. So I'm gonna go ahead and just add all of my Mod Podge to the top there. I'm spritzing my napkin with a little bit of water, and that will help with wrinkles and also make it a little bit more flexible. Then you'll just place it right onto the front, and there's a little groove on this one, so you can see that I'm using my brush to make sure that the napkin goes up and under that groove at the top. And then I'm just smoothing out any wrinkles using the brush, and I'm using my fingers too. We'll go ahead and add a little bit more Mod Podge there, and we're gonna top coat later. So right now we're just getting the napkin pieces down. And then you can piece together as you work around the corner. You can see I added more Mod Podge, I'm misting my napkin, and then just layering up the next piece. And I'm gonna do this all the way around the entire shelf. Just keep spritzing your napkins and piecing it together from the corners all the way around to the back side. I love how this mushroom print is turning out. It just looks so pretty on this cart. And you can see I'm using my brush just to kind of smooth down. Now once it's dry, I'm trimming off that extra overhang on the bottom. And then I'm going to take a little bit of Mod Podge and just seal that extra bit of napkin to the underside of the shelf. Now for the top coat, I'm doing a series of 3 top coats with a dry time of 2 hours in between. And I'm just using that same wide brush and going in one direction. Once all the shelves are dry, you can put the cart together. This cart came together in under 5 minutes. It was very simple to screw all the pieces together, and look how cool this turns out. Such a fun utility cart, but with so much personality. And of course, you choose the napkin that you love. Thanks so much for joining me today, guys. I love how this turned out. Now I'm gonna use this to organize some of my craft supplies so that I have them on wheels. I think this is great for anyone going off to a dorm or a first apartment. Because it has 3 top coats, it's going to be very durable. You could use this as a plant stand or just a little thing for books or towels, whatever you need. Thanks so much for being here with me. I'll be back next week with another fun project to share with you. And until then, have a super crafty week. Bye.